This is how my 51 clients recruited just over 2,000 agents in quarter 1 of this year. My 51 clients didn't recruit over 2,000 agents just from being charismatic. They recruited over 2,000 agents in quarter 1 from a proven system, model, and framework. Now, that framework, that predictable framework that we were able to implement, consisted of 4 different items. The first item being building omnipresence and being everywhere. I describe omnipresence kind of like the Holy Spirit, not to sound sacrilegious, but you need to be everywhere. Every single day when you go in and you clock in, you need to fear obscurity. You need to be known. That was the first item that my clients implemented and leveraged. The second item was the actual art of converting on the appointment and helping individuals self-realize the gaps that they had in their own business. If you're able to take somebody through where they're at right now and where they want to go and the consequences of what happens if they don't get to that promised land, that's why people move. People don't move because of a value proposition. They move because of a leader that's able to help them get to where they need to go. The third step that we look into and we dig into is the actual art of the close. How are you able to articulate your value proposition in such a way where your individuals are going to be able to visualize themselves doing exactly what they want to do in your ecosystem? Now, the fourth and final item are what are the offers that we're creating together that are so good individuals would feel absolutely stupid saying no to. Those are the 4 different items that are systematically helping my 51 clients recruit over 2,000 agents a quarter.